Hi everyone, this is the first video of the series that I'm gonna start. The series name is Java plus LLD. You might be wondering why we are still learning Java in 2026 because there are so many AI tools which can do code generation. And the reason is Java is still widely used language in so many big companies to small startups. You can name it Netflix, Google, Amazon, to Indian startup, uh, Swiggy, Zomato, Flipkart, Razorpay. So this is still widely acceptable in so many companies, and it is a very good starting point for any beginner to mid-level engineer because Java contains functional programming to object-oriented principle to many more functionality, and it provides so many flavors that can be used by a developer to serve different kind of purposes. With AI coming into picture, we are seeing significant changes in the software industry. Earlier, the engineer who were able to code fast and deliver product accurately were valued more, but now AI can take care the syntax part. Engineer needs to think, design, and build the system which can scale and which are reliable. So going forward, the engineers which are able to think uh, clearly and design the system accurately and scalably, I will be more valuable. This is not the series where I'll be pasting code from ChatGPT and will be explaining syntax line by line. It will be having more structured approach where we will be building concepts, then we will be going deep dives some into those concepts, and then we will be learning what is the production level of those concept code look like, and then we will move how senior engineer build the systems, how they think, how they do pros cons, build the edge cases before writing the code. So this will be having more uh, production and senior level of approach how we build systems.